All my instructions to my models you can find under my videos. In this video I wanna show you the Turkish Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle. It's a Bayraktar TB2. So let's see this model from the each side. Very nice model, guys. I really like it. Really nice design. As you can see, it looks really like the Bayraktar TB2. Also, there is the Bayraktar TB3. Maybe I will make it in the future. One of my subscribers have requested to make it. Maybe I'll make it in the near future. In this way, it's a Bayraktar TB2 in this case. Very nice looking. As you can see, there are different bombs here, different special equipment for viewing by the pilot where to fly. Different gears and other stuff. Very nice model, actually, guys. Really like it. Very cool model. Very cool. I really like it. Really nice design, actually. Yeah. Nice model. Also, there is the only one function, actually. In this way, in this case, we have here the propeller. We can move it like that in 360 degrees without any stacking, without any problems. Very nice. Very nice. Very cool. Very nice. Actually, that's all features of this model. Very cool model without any features. And other features, only there is this one. Very simple vehicle. It made of 237 ports, and that's very nice. Very nice. That's all. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me? Just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time. Oh yeah.